Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano chords accompaniment for Strawberries and Cigarettes by Troye Sivan. So it's the same thing all the way through, just like what you heard in the preview. I'm not going to play the whole song just because it's so repetitive, but I'll demonstrate a section. And I've left where you can find the full chords and lyrics in the description. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of A major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A major. So these are the notes we are working with. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the screen there. So the left hand, I'm just going to be playing single notes. The first chord is based around A major. So the right hand, we're going to play, so we're going to play A and B. So I guess this makes A sus2. So I'm going to change the B to a C sharp, and then we go back and forth between the B and C sharp. So we're going B, C sharp, B, C sharp, B, C sharp. And then the next chord is based around E major, so we're going to play an E in the left hand, and in the right hand we're basically just going to change the A to a G sharp, and we're still going back and forth between the B and the C sharp. So G sharp and B, G sharp and C sharp, back to B. And the next chord is based around F sharp minor. So we have F sharp in the left hand, and the right hand we're playing F sharp and B. And then we're alternating between F sharp and B to F sharp and A. So going B, A, B, A, B, A. So let's do what we've done so far. So from A major, so start with A and B first. And then the left hand we're going to play D and carry on what we just did in the right hand with the F sharp and A to F, with the F sharp and B to A. So this is based around D major, so we're going to go B, A, B, and then the left hand's going to change to E, and then the right hand we're going to play E and A, and then E and G sharp, E and A. From the D major again. I'll play it all again, and that's it. You just repeat that throughout the whole song. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comment section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book, and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue. So for the chorus, you could add some more depth, and if you can play octaves, you can play octaves instead. And I'm using the sustain pedal, and I'm refreshing it every time the chord changes.
Strawberries
end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.